Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with a new recipe. This time it's paneer. But this recipe is totally different from the regular paneer recipes that you would have tried. This is made in coconut milk and is super simple to make. I tried this recipe recently and I loved it, so I thought I'll share it on the channel. The ingredients list required for this dish is given in the description box below, so do check it out. Also, don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, share and comment. So to begin with, I've got a pan on fire and I've got some oil heating up in it. I'm going to add the paneer cubes into it. I've cut the paneer into cubes. So I'm going to add the cubes into the oil and we're going to slightly fry it until it turns golden. Don't over fry it because the paneer will become hard. So then we'll remove this and keep it aside. Now in the same pan, I'm going to add a little more oil and add in the mustard seeds. We'll let the mustard seeds flutter nicely. After which I'm going to add in the curry leaves. And also the slit green chillies. Now I'm adding in the ginger garlic paste. And we'll just saute it until the raw smell disappears. Now it's time to add the chopped onion. Now finely chop the onions and we are going to cook this until they change color and turn translucent. Now once the onions are cooked, we'll add in turmeric powder. Mix that well and cook for a minute. Now it's time to add the fried paneer into the onion mixture. Saute it gently. Now the next ingredient is thick coconut milk. I've added that on low flame. Give it a small mix. And then add salt to taste. Mix everything together. And the super simple paneer curry is ready to be served. You can serve this with rice or chapati. So do try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new video. Until then, bye-bye.